What's up, guys? We're back out with another video for the first time in probably a year. Today we're taking out a kayak on a local lake here. My friend caught a couple bass here yesterday morning, so we're gonna see just how it does. Guys, we made it out to the spot. I'm just casting out a jerkbait for now. It is raining a little bit, but you can't really see it. It was just raining way worse. I think it's slowing up now. Just casting out the jerkbaits and frogs, hoping to get one. See you guys real soon. As you guys can see, it is raining really bad. I just had a bass hit my jerkbait. Somehow it didn't get on. I don't really know how it hit it, but I saw the tail. Now, pretty tempted to just go. I was sitting under the bridge over there. That didn't do too much. Now I might go up to the bridge far up there. Oh, it's all sand right here. But the bass hit it way back up there, under a bunch of coverage. So we might move back over there because I was more out of the rain. See you guys. Something happens. There's like hundreds of nice beds right here. The camera doesn't see it that good, but can't tell if they're bass or bluegill beds. Guys, we got one. Got a hog on. Oh, let's flip him up here. Oh, we got him. Not a hog on, but okay. It's a decent. That's pretty good. Usually don't catch fish here. All right, let's let him go. There he goes. Guys, I just found the mother load of bass. I'm not kidding. Just watched like 4 swim out. Let's roll out of this. I think I spooked them out of here, but we're gonna keep casting the shoreline because I just saw like 4 beds, all bass beds because they're huge. Dang it, I'm in a tree. Dang it. This is a nice chatterbait too. Dang it. See you guys if something else happens. This is pretty boring. Guys, we got another hog on. I forgot my drag was still set super tight. It's another decent one. It's like the same size. All on a wet chatterbait. Get over here. I don't think the fight's done yet. Nope, it's a new one. That's pretty nice. Two down, many more to go. Same spot too, right above this log. That's pretty cool. To the bad pond. Just got hammered right here a second ago, and I saw like the smallest bass ever. Right now, this is what I've caught all the bass on. It's white chatterbait with the pearl fluke. Dang it, I got weeds. I have a rat lure I could try too. You guys can probably tell I'm right next to a main road. It's pretty annoying because there's just constant traffic. All you hear is cars going by. Ooh, I just hit a crazy cast. I might have to throw on a football jig so I can skip under the trees. It is raining again under this tree right after I started drying off. Okay. My canoe has probably 1/4 inch of water in it. The water here is so clear, even though it's been raining. But I guess I'm not getting any fish right now. See you guys if I get one. Oh, I got a hog on. Oh my god, my drag is loose. Let's get it this side. Oh god. It just jumped out of the water at me. Mom, I got a hog on right now.
What?
I got my 3rd bass on right now.
Awesome. Okay. All right. I'll call you later.
I'm staying out later.
I know.
It stopped
Love you,
raining. Okay, bye.
buddy. Yeah, we're just at the doctor.
Alright, okay, bye. Oh, jeez, it just almost hooked me in the hand.
Okay. Be careful.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Guys, my mom just called mid-hog. Okay, why is my drag... No. I mean, just tweaking out. Holy battle scars. This thing's fat, too. Kind of swole. Oh my god, this hook is in there. Look at that battle scar right here. There we go. That is a nice one. It's probably like 1.5. I gotta get my scale out. It's pretty fat. Here, let's wait. Ugh. Got the Bubba scale. Got this thing for Christmas. This bass stinks. Ah, my feet. Okay, let's hit clear. Says 1 exactly on the dot. Might have bad. Oh, my thumb's just ripped apart. All right, let's let him go. Let's hope there's not a big pike right here. There he goes. All right, let's catch another hog. There's definitely one right up in there. See you guys soon. Guys, we just caught a tree bat. Oh, never mind. Just had a giant tree on. It was like kayak length. Thought I had a hog on. So I was stuck in a tree over there, launched over, dropped to the bottom. I was jigging it, and I was reeling up and just felt like something launched up on it. Hog on. Oh, it's fat. That's a nice one. Come on. Come on. Is that the same one I just caught? I think I just saw a scar on its side. Nope, this one just has a new scar. Probably solid 1.5. Any day now. I was really not expecting to do this good. Let's wait. Might be the best one yet. Hold up. All right, 2.06. Shoot. Let's get a release. Oh God. There he goes. Okay, we already worked this whole shoreline. Got 4 now. Gonna work all the way back up this. Friend told me yesterday up there by those concrete blocks, caught 2 hogs. So we're gonna go test if my luck's any good. And seems like it is right now, because usually don't catch anything here. See you guys when we have another hog on. Oh, dang it, I just had one on. See if I can get him now. I was too focused trying to get the camera going. All right, why are we going in? We're short. That was probably the biggest one. I could feel it. It was fighting hard. Let's hope it didn't feel the hook. I guess I could just record this whole shoreline. Oh God. Let's try and get up. Okay. Oh, I just got hit. I watched the fluke disappear partly. Dang it. I can jig it. I've got all the bass just reeling. I haven't been jigging or anything. I've been just reeling like a foot under. This looks so good right here. Such a juicy spot. There's just a giant tree underwater right here. I've been just skipping underneath these trees. That's how I got one of the last ones. Okay, it's so windy right now. My kayak's slowly drifting. Must be pretty hungry because I've got like almost all of them besides the last one in coverage. Pretty heavy coverage. Oh, Jesus, I almost just got taken out by a jack. Oh. Oh, you're kidding. It's hooked in the front of the kayak. Okay, I'll see you guys once I get this out. Got one. Got a nice one. Oh, it just jumped like 3 feet out of the water. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Get over. Oh God, we gotta set my rod down. Might need my pliers. I don't know if my GoPro caught that, but I just caught a hog. Let me open my... Where did I just put my pliers? Oh no. I don't even see them. Oh, there we go. This one, biggest yet. Oh my, I literally can't do this. My camera won't stay propped up. Let's weigh it. Oh, there's my pliers. They're hidden. Hidden in plain sight. What just happened? Oh, it's in the water. I'm trying to hold it in place. No way, that's 3. Look at that stomach on that thing. That is a hawk. Well, one of my biggest largemouth. It's probably top 4. Okay, let's release him. That was a nice one. Right under all that coverage right there. That's where the hogs are. Might switch to a big swim bait just to see what happens. Guys, we're gonna catch one here. I think I actually just got hit. That 3-pounder was, you guys could probably see my Defi black. It's a heavy. It was bent. I had to tighten my drag. It literally hopped like 2-3 feet out of the water. It was right in front of the kayak. I wish I had a hat mount that Naspelton has. Go check out his videos. It's pretty, his videos are way better than mine. He actually catches fish. Oh, there's some heavy coverage right here. Skip. Still have the white chatter on. Once I'm done with this pass down to that bridge. Hello?
Alright, my phone died.
Guys, we just switched up rods because, holy dink. Because my chatterbait is gone and I had to cut the line, so there isn't a leader on the other rod now. So I had to switch up to a rod that still had a leader. Because few fish straight breed, okay? I'm not gonna catch anything if you fish straight bait. That is a dink. Alright. See you guys when I get back home. We have a hog on. It is running. It is ripping drag. Straight hog. Oh God, we're going right into the trees. It has this rod literally bent. Far. I wish I had a net. Oh my God, I have a hog. It is pulling. Oh, it's a giant. Oh, get over here. Oh my God. It's ripping again. Get over here. Okay, we got it. Oh, biggest one. Oh my gosh. That's on my smallest reel I have with two. Jerkbait is the way. Oh no, I got it in the gill. Oh my God. Holy crap. That's like a 4-pounder. Oh my God. Let's get it weigh. Let's weigh it in. Hey Siri, FaceTime Leo Lauk.
Starting a FaceTime call to Leo Lauk.
4-pounder. 4.02. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Oh my God. That's probably, I think that's my PB largemouth. Hey Siri. I got this on a jerkbait. 4.02. No, it literally dragged me. I started up almost at that dock. It pulled me all the way to here. It's holy God.
They hold it up better. It's so hard to see.
It's a hog.
It looks like the one that I caught.
Here, I gotta get a video of the release. Oh my God. I caught that on this one. It was literally like zzz, zzz, zzz. Just caught another giant. We're gonna weigh it. It's heavy. Here, I'll prop my phone up. Let's get a weight. Oh my God, that's a PB. Oh my arm hurts from holding it. 3 PBs in one day. 5-pounder. This thing is so big. Oh my God. Oh, I'm soaked.